Hello again, everybody. This is me, Ashana. We have a restaurant job which is scheduled for interview tomorrow, June 28. That will be Friday. So this is a yakiniku restaurant located in Meguro Ward in Tokyo. So we're looking for one person only for this, and the salary for this is really good. It starts from 400,000 yen to 450,000 yen. So again, this is from 40 mang to 45 mang, and there will be bonus also, but the level of Japanese for this is at least conversational Japanese. So again, this is a yakiniku restaurant located in Meguro Ward in Tokyo. So this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, June 28, Friday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So again, we are looking for one person only for this, and the salary is from 400,000 yen to 450,000 yen, and there is a bonus. So if you are willing to apply for this, please you can comment down below, or you can also call our office number and look for my name, Ashana. So our number is 0362068058. Thank you.